What's happening, guys? It is Monday afternoon. I'm very limited in the amount of time I'm allowed to drive because of my neck surgery. So I had to go to physical therapy, and while I was out, I figured I would try to do a pizza review. And there's a Blaze Pizza right near where I go to physical therapy, and even though LeBron James owns like, 50 of them or whatever his deal is, I figured, let me give it a chance. I'm trying, one of my video idols here is Dave Portnoy of Barstool Sports. I love the pizza reviews. I watch them constantly. I'm not, obviously, clearly not as good as what he does, but pizza is probably the one thing it's tough for me to take out of my diet whenever I'm doing eating healthy or not eating healthy. And having grown up in northern New Jersey, pizza is rampant. I mean, even like the shittiest pizza place, you're like, all right, I'd take that. At one point, a Domino's Pizza opened in my town, and the only thing it was good for is me and my friends would call an order, and they used to have this thing, if it's not there within 30 minutes or not, you didn't pay. So we would call an order, and then we would all wait there, and if it was a minute late, we would just take the pizza. So I grew up with a bunch of delinquents. I think we've established this over the podcast and over a few videos here. But I got this Blaze Pizza. I got the small little, like the 10-inch guy. It feels pretty hot. It cooked rather quickly. At least it was in a pizza oven and not one of those spindly things they do. It doesn't look too bad. I'm going to see if I can get a shot of it here. It kind of looks like not quite cafeteria pizza, but not quite what I would call my first choice for pizza if I was going to go out and grab some. So it's not a full slice. It's a smaller slice. There's going to be some stuff a little bit different than I'm already upset with it. Just trying to pick it off here. It's like rubbery a little bit. So that's not a good sign right out of the gate. The bottom doesn't look too bad. It's cooked pretty good on the bottom. It's got some cheese there. No real flop. It smells okay. Specifically, no Parmesan. I'm not a big Parmesan guy. But the crust isn't really what I was expecting it to be. So, just like El Presidente, one bite, everybody knows the rules. Here is Blaze Pizza, located in, I don't know where the fuck I am. I think it's Land O'Lakes, Florida, or Lutz, Florida. Probably a landfill about to cave in somewhere over there, a sinkhole. But I don't care. I'm going to give it a shot. It's pizza. Here we go. A little light on the sauce. Not too greasy. There's a couple of little greasy spots here, but mostly cheese, not a lot of sauce, which isn't too bad, but it's still a little too doughy for what I would classify as my, I like it crisp. I like it like well done sort of deal. It's a New Jersey snob thing, and I get it. I'm an asshole, but I want the pizza the way I want the pizza. Wow, gorgeous 2020 Corvette over there in the parking lot. I'm distracted a little bit. Still, everybody knows one bite knows the rule. Everybody knows the rules. Let's check out the crust. Yeah. Surprisingly, you can't judge a book by its cover. The pizza is actually not bad. And I would consider getting it if I was ordering like takeout. Except I'm also a lazy motherfucker, and I don't want to have to actually drive to go pick up pizza. The only reason I'm here is because physical therapy is right down the street. So if I was going to give Blaze a score, I'd probably say it's somewhere around a little bit of grease piling up on the top. Somewhere around a 7.2, 7.3. So if you're looking for some pizza, you're close to Lutz, you can avoid all of the sinkholes in Land O'Lakes, Florida, and you want to check it out, it's worth it. It's relatively inexpensive, small little personal pie, what we would call in Jersey, and give it a shot. Blaze Pizza, 7.2, 7.4, somewhere in that range. Not too bad.